Hello. So what I've created here is a Google Sheet that provides all the necessary fields to provide us with offer information to create sales offers. I've currently made this to where it can allow for either lease or cash off offers. Now, I know it looks really wide, but I'm doing that just so you can see in the video how this sheet works. Okay. It is going to change based on, or highlighting of cells is going to change based on the selection that I make in offer type. So we're going to start out and we're going to select a lease. So you can see all of these cells are now red because if you select a lease, we would need all of this information in order to create the offer. So first, offer month, January, expiration. If you double click in here, you can select an expiration date. Images uploaded. This would be if you uploaded the images to our shared drive. So we'll just put yes. And if you look up here, you can see some of the cells have these little black triangles in the corners with notes. Okay. 3 units available. I have this on here because it's typically recommended that you have 3 units available if you're going to use it for a special offer. That might change state to state. We are not giving legal advice. I'm just putting a little recommendation here. So if you put no, you'll see that one stays highlighted in yellow, and that's just because it's something to be aware of. The year. So now we're getting to the individual vehicle. 2025. It's a Dodge. We just have a few different makes in there right now. Model and the trim. Let's just say it was a Durango and a certain trim level. You would want to put that in there. Is this an OEM or dealer offer? We ask that question because typically the dealer offers are going to be a little stronger than what the OEM has. So we'll just do dealer. If I were to select OEM, you could see it's highlighted in yellow just to remind you, like, hey, other people might be advertising the same thing. Okay. Sample stock number. So this is a stock number that applies for this incentive. Monthly payment, 389. The term is going to be 12 months. Mileage, 10,000. That's annual mileage. Down payment, 5,000. If there's a security deposit, you would put it, or you just put it at zero. Just you need to have something there. Disclaimer. Now, it is important here, and you'll see in this note, you need to put the entire disclaimer that is necessary for this offer. Um, so I'm just going to put that for now. Oh, and I forgot to put a stock number in here. And keep an eye on lease over here. So I'm going to put in a stock number of 15. That highlight is gone, letting you know that all the information that is needed for a lease has now been provided. Let's say that you selected a cash off offer. Now you can see that these boxes are blank because for a cash off offer, we're not going to need to provide the monthly payment, term, mileage, down payment, security deposit. Okay, that's it. Um, Same thing applies here. April, expiration date, images uploaded. We'll do no this time. Yes. Check this out. If you were to select 2024 or 26, because this is, I made this video in April of 2025, it's probably unlikely that you're going to have a lot of 2024 and 2026 offers. We can change this later on that highlighting, but for now, it makes sense. Again, continuing along. Um, anyway, you get the idea. I'm not going to go through the whole thing again, but that's how this works. And until you select something over here, it's not going to change these boxes because this is where we should start, is in column A. If you have any questions at all, let me know. I appreciate your time and I hope this helps.